They say YouTube automation is the secret code. Make videos without showing your face, let AI do the heavy lifting, and watch the money roll in. Yeah, that's what the thumbnails promised, right? So I decided to put it to the test. For 30 days, I went all in. AI scripts, AI voiceovers, templates, the whole work. And I'm gonna be honest with you, it was nothing like I expected. It was rough. I started this channel back on October 23rd, 2025. The goal was simple, to document my journey from scratch, see what actually works, and share the truth with other small creators like me. As of today, it's been exactly 30 days since I posted my first video. So, was it worth it? Did I blow up overnight? Or did I just waste huge hours of my life? Today, I'm sharing the full experience, the highs, the lows, and the real numbers. Here's how it started. I automated 3 videos. I spent hours setting them up. AI wrote the scripts, AI did the talking, and I threw together some stock footage in using CapCut. But when I watched them back, they were bad. The voiceovers sounded robotic, the pacing was off, the whole thing felt lifeless. So you know what I did? I deleted all 3 of them. Yeah, hours of work, gone. And that's fine, because I was learning. So I made my first real video, How to Start YouTube in 2026. This time I put in the work. I rewrote the scripts to sound like a human, I fixed the audio settings, I obsessed over the thumbnail. When I hit upload, I thought, okay, this is it. This one's good. And then, nothing. No views, no comments, just silence. I checked my analytics constantly, watching the numbers not move. And that's when it hit me. Automation didn't make things easier, it actually made them harder. Now I had to figure out why no one was clicking, why my retention was terrible. But here's the thing, the struggle forced me to learn. I started analyzing thumbnails, studying titles, watching what worked for the big creators. Slowly, things started to make sense. I kept scripting, I kept editing, I kept posting, even when I was frustrated, even when I wanted to quit. Week after week, I put everything into these videos, and week after week, I got maybe 10, 20 views. The overnight growth I was hoping for, going from 0 to 1,000 subs in a month, it didn't happen. I was at 22 subs, then 82 subs, then finally 150 subs. The process was slow, it was brutal, and honestly, some days I wondered if it was even worth it. The most frustrating part is putting your soul into a video, refreshing the page every 5 minutes hoping this is the one, and seeing 12 views. But here's the truth about what I learned. Automation did save me time on the workflow. Once I figured it out, script, voiceover, edit, thumbnail, publish, I was flying. But it didn't save me from the grind. It didn't magically print views. What it did do was force me to keep showing up, because once you automate the process, the only thing left is consistency, and that is the real test. So after 30 days, here is my progress. I started at 0. Now I'm at 176 subscribers with around 12,000 total views. Is that groundbreaking? No, but it's progress. And more importantly, I didn't quit. My thumbnails were trash, my voiceovers sounded off, my first few videos were literally deleted, but every failure made the next one better. So would I do it again? Absolutely, yes. Here's my honest take. YouTube automation isn't magic, it's just a tool, and tools only work if you work. If you're ready to show up every single day, even when it's hard, even when the views aren't coming, try it. You'll make it eventually. But if you're looking for quick wins, this won't save you. My recommendation? Whatever you want to do, just start. Don't quit until you make it. Because the people who win aren't the ones with the best AI tools. They're the ones who refuse to stop. If you want to know exactly how the technical side of YouTube automation works, I made a full video on it. Check it out right here. Drop a comment and let me know where you're at in your journey. I'd love to hear it. And if you want to see what happens next, subscribe, because trust me, I'm not stopping until I hit 10,000 subscribers. See you in the next one.